Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. My name is Ruth and I'm excited. I just got my new Cricut Mystery Box in. It is the Caveman Infusible Ink Mystery Box and I'm going to open it up with you. So this box is about 24 inches long and it is packed almost with a solid layer of infusible ink. The only thing that is not infusible ink is the raspberry Cricut Cutie, which I am going to open because I love the Cricut Cutie. It will definitely have to go with my other cuties. So there is a total of 32 sheets of infusible ink in this package. There's also a 5-pack of pens. They are the 0.4. They are infusible ink. It's the Nostalgia set, and it has black, deep teal, yellow, tangerine, and burnt red. You've got one solid one of suntan. The rest are all patterns. So there's patina, which has like turquoise in with like some browns and some like coral colors. I have two River's Edge, which has kind of a brown spotted one like mud, and then also stones with tiny little pebbles inside as well. The stones are a variety of colors. This is the carbon fiber pattern. You've got kind of the brush steel as well as this kind of more pixelated one. This pattern is called Cosmic. It is black dots on kind of a gray background, and then the blue one is like dark blue dots on a slightly lighter background. It looks fairly solid, but it does have a little bit more. Suntan is the only solid one, and each of these has 2 sheets in it. So for these ones, they'll have one of each one shown up here. And then you've got the packs with the 4. You've got Jungle Safari, which includes a solid yellow, kind of a more a camo, this one with the bugs, and then just a solid green. You have Windbreaker, which is similar to the Cosmic pattern one. You've got the dots with the complementary color underneath. You've got it in just blue, just red, blue with some black sections, and then red mixed in as well. You have Distressed Rustic. The brown one looks like a wood grain. These other colors look maybe like an older kind of loose woven fabric. There is Retro Ombre, which has 2 striped ones and 2 solid ones, kind of a brown and an orange with the same kind of yellow cream stripe. This kind of a dark teal and kind of a light red, and they are a little bit distressed. And then you have the Western Sweetheart patterns, which has a red, which is textured but all red, kind of a denim looking one that looks very much like a Western bandana, and then I'd probably say a dark gray. Since this is black, I'd say that would be a dark gray. I am really excited to use these. I've got my mug press. I recently got a heat press as well. And so I'm having fun testing out different things. If you haven't seen my video about storing infusible ink and running experiments on that, go ahead and click on that. I also have an entire playlist about infusible ink and how to use it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.